What is going on YouTube? GCal Games here, and today we're back to another video. And on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to farm yen here in Anime Fighters. So I know I have not played this game here on the channel in a really long time, but I decided to come back and record for you guys a video teaching a lot of you on how to make money fast, because I do know the update is tomorrow. So a lot of you are struggling to get that yen. Now, I've compiled this video with a bunch of tips that I've seen on other YouTubers. So a huge shout out to all the other YouTubers that I've seen videos. I've seen plenty of them. And I think this is a pretty good list on methods for you to get a lot of yen. Now, don't worry if you're a new player or a no player who is already like in the last level. I'm just going to start off really quickly in the last map, or the first map I should say, just to get off the beginners really quickly. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and like and subscribe. You really think I was going to start the video without asking for you guys to like, subscribe? Come on guys, drop that like button and subscribe, because it helps the channel so much. And now we can actually get started. Oh my god, I had not seen Frieza, bro. They did my boy dirty. Okay, anyways. First thing you want to do when you get here to Dragon Ball, you want to make sure you talk to Bulma, and basically you want to finish that quest. That's the biggest tip I give you, is finish the quest before advancing. So finish the Bulma quest before moving on to the Ninja Village. Ninja Village, same thing. Basically you guys just want to keep doing that same thing over and over again, just moving over. Best way for you to get money in each of them is going to be doing the challenges. What I do recommend is, though, after Dragon Ball, I would say when you get to about JoJo, it's going to start being really difficult, and it's going to take forever for you to finish the missions. So I do recommend, instead of like doing the Naruto one, as soon as you get to Naruto, get to JoJo, get the JoJo characters, and then do the Naruto. That way it's going to be much easier. Same thing when you get to JoJo. When you get to JoJo, don't do it straight up. Try to get as much money for you to go up to One Piece or My Hero, and then get some units from over here and come back. Even if they're common, they're going to help and be so much better. So that's what I recommend you guys doing. Basically just try to go 2 islands ahead and then come back into the challenge. Of course, for the Dragon Ball one you can't do that, but you know, just try to do that whenever you can. Like, I have not done the Fate Island yet one, but I will complete. I was just waiting to get to Black Clover, because you know that's going to be a lot easier. Now let's actually get started to the tips for the pro players. So first tip I want to give you is time trial. Now you probably heard this a bunch of times, but time trial is a really easy way for you guys to make yen, especially if you have a private server and you can go ahead and already skip to wave 48. That's just going to be really helpful, and you guys are going to make tons of yen. And oh, look at this. But wait, who's this from? Is this Shiny Yami? I had never seen Shiny Yami, but back to the topic of the video. You can make tons of yen in the time trials. Now this also goes for new players, but if you're with other people, you'll rarely make any money. Time trials are not really good with friends. That's a mistake that I used to do, and I used to think they were going to be good with friends, but no, you really make barely any money. So definitely recommend you guys separate when you're playing with your friends. When the time trial is about to start, maybe separate from each other, because you're not going to make as much money if you're a beginning player. If you already like are farther in the game, you definitely will be able to get some money with your friends, but right now, not really. Next tip I want to give to you guys is use the AFK. Now, I've made some videos in the past on how to AFK on both mobile and on PC. I'm just going to quickly show what I use for PC. For PC, I use an app called Tiny Task. For some reason, my Windows one is this one right there. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how to AFK, search up in my channel. I have a video where I show step-by-step on how to set up your whole AFK method. Basically, I would recommend you guys AFKing on secret bosses or AFKing on a boss that's not really high level. Unless you got OP units like Black Clover, I highly doubt you can AFK properly over there unless you have like really good characters. If you don't have really good characters, you have like legendaries and like 2 mythicals, you might not be able to. So I definitely recommend like maybe going over here, because you definitely want to choose a boss that gives a lot of yen and you can also kill really fast. So definitely make sure you choose your bosses wisely to AFK. And a big problem is that a lot of bosses will also move around, so you want to make sure you choose a boss that doesn't really move around so you don't get messed up while AFK. Tip another one that I recommend, might be a little bit obvious, but buy game passes. Now game passes, you mainly want to focus 2 times yen, of course, and the extra equip. This is just going to maximize your damage, and maximizing your damage is going to get you, you know, obviously more yen faster, because you're going to be able to kill the units faster. So that's definitely recommended, alongside using your boosts. When you get your boosts over here, like the damage boosts, definitely go for them right here. So you have to open stars. So maybe just literally go back to Dragon Ball. I've seen a lot of people doing this. Go back to Dragon Ball over there, AFK a couple nights, just spinning on Dragon Ball and auto selling literally everything. Like except you can't auto sell secret, but just auto sell that, and you're gonna get this damage quest up and so easily, and that's gonna help you boost your damage up, and that's just gonna give you way more. Now one thing I do want to say before we go on with this video is that, of course, there's a lot of methods that I'm going to forget in this video. So you guys want to definitely comment down below, guys. Comment down below, because a lot of people are going to think this is helpful and they're going to need more help. So check the comments, guys. Check the comments, because there's definitely going to be more tips on there. Now, another AFK method that I didn't show in my other video, but I would like to show in this video, is the auto-clicking method. You want to set your auto-clicker to about like 16, and then you want to set it up over here. So there we go. I'll press click. There you go. All of them went in. Now this wouldn't work because I'm playing this boss really fast, and I also have what's it called? I'm gonna go to a stronger boss, and I also have send all. So you wanna make sure you turn off send all fighters. So let me turn that off. Let's go all the way to like a stronger boss, maybe him. I don't know if I'm gonna kill him fast, but let's just try him. But right here, and then you just wanna place it on him, and then you wanna go F6. Oh, F6. Why is it not clicking? Where's my clicker? Okay, it's started. Okay, F6. Okay, so goes the first character. Now you wait a couple seconds. He plays his animation. Blah 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 blah. Come on, you gotta wait a couple more seconds for him to be able to click, because you gotta wait 16 seconds. But I don't know. Come on, is he gonna click again? There you go. And then Yami walked in. So it's just gonna keep repeating itself like that. Now the problem with this, it's not as effective because there is gonna be 16 seconds where there's no characters in it. Because, you know, of course you're just going to stay clicking. But this is a method for if you don't have time to set up tiny tasks, because tiny tasks does take a little bit for you to set up. You want to have like about like 10 minutes before whatever you want to do. So the auto clicking method is always the easiest one. And another problem is when the enemy spawns in, you might be a time where you're just sitting there because you clicked way too early before the enemy spawns. But you know, that's not a really big problem. Oh my god, get off my screen. But that is pretty much it, guys. Comment down below if you have any other ideas or suggestions. I would also recommend battle mode, but the reason why I didn't, or defense mode, reason why I didn't put it over here is just because there's a lot of players who can't do it, first of all, and also because you do need to have really good units. Not even some mythicals from Black Clover by themselves are going to be able to get really higher up. But you know, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.